Hey y'all, so went out today. Happy Saturday. The first thing I got, well, the last thing I got on my way home, my brother-in-law told me he had some okra for me, so I went and got it. Fresh okra out of his garden. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna fix this, and it's gonna be, nobody here eats it but me, so I'm gonna make it stewed, and it's gonna be my lunch for a few days next week. I got some chicken wings. Y'all, I did some on the pit. Those things were good. So I got some great value spaghetti sauce. I got mushroom, 2 of those. I got traditional, and I got tomato basil. Yeah, these are only 88 cents, and I like them better than the name brand. The ragu I bought, it was okay, but the Prego I didn't like. So they had these shrimp again, $9.98. These are the ones you have to peel with the tail on. I like to ball those. So I got 2. They were $9.98. Got my son some milk. I got some orange juice. I got 10 pounds of fresh chicken breast. It was $1.47 a pound. I got some fish fry. We having fish and shrimp today. I got some gala apples. It's cheaper to buy them in a pound, 3-pound bag than individually. It was $1.99 a pound for apples. I got lemon cake mix because I had a taste for a lemon cake. I hadn't had lemon cake since we served at the church probably 5 months ago. Went to Sam's also. I got some packs of extra gum. You get, I forget how many in here, y'all. I think it's 12 pack. Yeah, it's 12 pack for $7, and they like $1.30 in some stores. I got the Country Crock butter. I hadn't been able to find it, but I think I was looking in the wrong place because it was actually in that cooler section where the milk is. And I got some great value spaghetti because we're having spaghetti, like I said, Sunday dinner. I got my son some Honey Nut Cheerios. I also got at Albertsons, this 18-pack bag of chips was $3.99. That was a good buy. I also got the Wavy Leg Chips from Sam. They were $2.99 for those big bags. And I paid $2.97 for a small bag the other day. These were some sandwiches. I got the paper towels. Hadn't been able to find them, but they finally had them in Sam's today, so I got that. I got Wesson canola oil. I don't like the taste of the canola oil at Sam's. So I went ahead and got that. That's a gallon. I got the Manda sausages from Sam's. I do have a whole pack in the freezer, but I always like to have an extra because sometimes it's hard to find it. So I got that because it's a lot of different dishes I fix with it. I put it in beans and jambalaya. I make smothered potatoes, in which I hadn't had that in a long time. I'll share that video if you haven't seen it. But I like that, like on a day you come home from work and you're tired, it's been a long crazy day at work, something real simple to put together real quick. I got this thing of Texas toast, y'all. It's 32 slices and it was $6, and I think that's a real good buy because even at Walmart, 8 or $1.50. So I guess it's about the same thing, huh? Or $1.99. I think they went up. My son, I asked him what he wanted because I always fix dessert on Sunday. He wanted a key lime pie, so I went ahead and got that. He said that or turtle, but I got the key lime because we just had brownies last week. I got my son some turkey breast because a lot of days during the week, if he don't eat leftovers, like I cook enough for 2 days. But if I cook, usually if I cook, say on a Sunday, whatever we have Sunday for dinner, I also like to have it Monday for dinner, so I want to come home and cook on a Monday. Mondays are just sometimes rough from work. So he'll have sandwiches for lunch. And then if there's anything left for that next day, and if he like, he could have whatever's left after that second evening of the leftovers, he could eat that for lunch, if that makes sense. Or anybody even care. I got some bananas from Sam's. And y'all, that's it. This was 100 and some. Oh, I bought some water. My son already put the water up. And that's it. That's it. I got a real good buy because I got 10 pounds of chicken breast for $14. So that's a really, really good buy because you can take it and cube it. Because like on the menu, maybe within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to do the panda orange chicken with the stir fry rice. And I'll use that and I'll put vegetables in it like broccoli and stuff. So I already have that. And that is it. So y'all be blessed. Stay hydrated. It is extremely, extremely hot out there. I walked outside of the store. Felt like somebody had slapped me. And then my glasses fogged up. So y'all be blessed. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Much love. Bye.